How to turn off captions on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now keep in mind that this will only work if the creator has enabled captions on his videos. Meaning that if a video doesn't have captions, obviously this won't be applied. So go ahead and open up TikTok.
Making lists. Maybe that's not that strange.
And as you can see, this is a video example that the creator has turned captions on his video. So see at the bottom on top of the creator name that the captions are running right now.
But I make lists of everything, and I like to break things down into as small pieces as possible.
So in order for you to turn them off, all what you need to do is just click on them. And as you can see, an option has just appeared above them that says hide captions. So click on it. And as you can see the captions has now been hidden. And there's the option to turn them back on again on top of the creator name. So yeah, that was it for this video. That's how you can disable captions on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.